Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You just need to check my video description for this site link. Just scroll down and go to files and select the manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to login page. You just need to log into the site guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then it will start downloading. After the download done, right click and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder and make this left on right side. You just need to navigate to the game folder. I saved in C drive. Here it is. This is the game folder. After you are in, you just need to open the content folder, scripts folder. Just drag and drop these files into this folder. It's like the replace the file in the destination. And now just to close stuff here and enjoy the mod guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.